The punishment of the nation of Prophet Nooh A.S., as described in the Quran, serves as a profound lesson on the consequences of disbelief and idolatry. Prophet Nooh A.S. was sent as a messenger to his people, who had deviated from the worship of Allah and engaged in idol worship, venerating false deities such as Wad, Suwa, Yaghut, Yak, and Nasr. For an astonishing period of 950 years, Nooh A.S. tirelessly preached the message of monotheism, urging his people to abandon their idols and return to the worship of the one true God. Despite his persistent efforts and sincere warnings about a forthcoming punishment for their transgressions, the vast majority of his people rejected his call. They mocked him, claiming he was merely a man like themselves and ridiculing his small band of followers. This arrogance and obstinacy led them to cover their ears and turn away from the truth he presented, demonstrating their unwillingness to accept divine guidance. The Quran highlights that God commanded Prophet Nooh A.S. to warn his people before a grievous penalty would befall them. In Surah Al-Nuh 71:1-9, Nooh A.S. expresses his despair over their increasing obstinacy despite his continuous calls for repentance. As their disbelief deepened, Allah revealed to Nooh A.S. that none of his people would believe except for those who had already accepted his message. This revelation marked a turning point. It was then that Nooh A.S. prayed for divine retribution against the disbelievers, asking Allah not to leave any unbeliever on the earth. In response to this heartfelt plea, Allah decreed a great flood as punishment for the nation of Nooh A.S. The flood was not merely a natural disaster but a divine act meant to cleanse the earth of idolatry and disbelief. Water gushed forth from both the heavens and the earth, overwhelming everything in its path. Only those who believed in Nooh A.S. and boarded the ark he constructed were saved from this catastrophic event. The Quran repeatedly emphasizes that this flood served as a warning for subsequent generations about the dire consequences of rejecting God's messengers. The narrative surrounding Prophet Nooh A.S. is not just a historical account but also serves as an admonition for all believers regarding the importance of faith and obedience to God's commands. The Quran mentions this story multiple times, underscoring its significance as a reminder of God's power and mercy towards those who heed His guidance while illustrating His wrath against those who persist in disbelief. The fate of Nooh's people exemplifies how divine punishment can manifest when communities collectively turn away from faith and righteousness. In essence, Allah's punishment of the nation of Prophet Nooh A.S. underscores key themes in Islamic theology: the importance of monotheism, the consequences of rejecting divine guidance, and the mercy afforded to those who believe. This story serves not only as a historical lesson but also as an enduring reminder for all believers to remain steadfast in their faith and heed the warnings delivered by prophets throughout history.